Hello, I'm Marcin from ATOCAN. Today I will show you the first steps after purchasing PolDiag from Keymaster, solutions intended for MQB dashboards based on the blocked RH850 processor. I invite you to watch the video. PolDiag MQB RH850. In order for the device to work properly, we need to download the software and register our device. In this video we will show you how to do this. Part 1. Downloading the software. We start by going to the manufacturer's website, keymaster.pl. Go to the Downloads tab. We click on the official software. We press Download, choose where we want to save. We return to the Downloads tab and download the drivers. We will start by showing the installation for the Windows 7 operating system. After extracting the files, we click the PolDiag icon and wait a while for it to update to the latest version. Now we install the drivers. We agree installation. And we wait for it to do firmware update. We click Finish. To apply the changes you need to restart the computer. Windows 10 users find it difficult to install. Let's get to it. We downloaded as for Windows 7 and we have a record that the device is not connected even though we have it connected. See for yourself. We go to the device manager and see our PolDiag. It detects the drivers, but it still doesn't work. In this case, we hold the left Shift key on the keyboard and restart the computer while still holding the key. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, and Restart. In turn, here we select option number 7, click F7 on the keyboard and wait a moment. The computer will restart. Enter the device manager again, select Update Driver, and the Browse My Computer for Drivers option. Now browse, find our Keymaster folder, click the Win7 subfolder and continue. Install the driver software anyway, and wait a while until it installs. Success! We have a message that the system has successfully updated the drivers. If you have drivers visible on the screen, then you can proceed to registration. To check, we will run the program. We are now sure that it works properly because it has read the serial number of the programmer. In this case, we also wait for the firmware update and update to be completed. Part 2, Account Registration. Now let's go to info.atoke.by. On this page we register an account on the server to work with PolDiag. We go to the Registration tab, enter the email address we want to create an account with. Depending on whether we purchased OBD interface or programmer, we choose which device we want to register. We enter the serial number that displays when we connect the device to the computer and run the software. We write down the authorization number and press Registration. We will automatically receive a password. Then we copy the password and log in with the given email to the PolDiag software. From now on we can make full use of our PolDiag. Let us know if the video helped you during the registration process. Join our PolDiag user group on Facebook, link in the description. Special thanks to Lukasz from PolDiag for valuable tips. See you in the next material. Best regards, Marcin ATOCAN.